Hello friends, today we have one another cream for review. The name of cream is Nuforce-Gm. Nuforce-Gm is manufactured by company Mankind Pharma Ltd. The salt composition of the cream is Beclometasone, dipropionate, Clotrimazole and Neomycin sulfate cream. This cream use of the Nuforce-Gm cream is Nuforce-Gm cream is used in the treatment of skin infections. Skin infections such as fungal and bacterial infection. The how the use of Nuforce-Gm cream. This medicine is for external use purpose only. The use of the dose and durations advised by your doctor. Check the label and direction before use. Clean, dry and affected area. Apply the cream. Wash your hands after applying unless hands are affected area. The how Nuforce-Gm cream works. Nuforce-Gm cream is combination of three medicine: Beclometasone, Neomycin and Clotrimazole. It treats the skin infection. Beclometasone is an steroid which blocks the production of certain chemical messengers such as prostaglandins, making the skin that make the skin reddish, and the other chemical that Neomycin is an antibiotic which stops the growth of bacteria, while the Clotrimazole is an antifungal which stops the growth of fungi on the skin. Together they treat your skin infection effectively. The cost of that cream is about 36 rupees, Indian rupees, and the expiry duration is about 24 months from the date of manufacturing, and it's more effective on fungal and bacterial infection. It's available on local pharmacies also. If you do like that video, please share, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notification from our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, have a nice day, keep healthy.